Toucan crossings. Rule 25. Toucan crossings are light controlled crossings which allow cyclists and pedestrians to share crossing space and cross at the same time. They are push button operated. Pedestrians and cyclists receive the green signal together. Cyclists are permitted to ride across the crossing. At all other crossings, cyclists should dismount and walk across. Rule 26. At some crossings there are bleeping sounds or voice signal to indicate to blind or partially sighted people when the crossing steady green figure is showing, and there may be a tactile signal to help deaf and blind people. Equestrian crossings. Rule 27. Equestrian crossings are for horse riders. They have pavement barriers, wider crossing spaces, horse and rider figures in the light panels, and either two sets of controls, one higher or just one higher control panel to control the crossing, so horse riders don't have to dismount.